I came all the way in the morning to warn you about this thing. We must be sane in this country. We must be sane in this country. Don't worry, I'm going to do this tomorrow. Please move. Go, 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 go. Come. See, I came here in the morning and I warned you people about my people. I warned you people about my people. I don't want this and don't have to for my people. No, excuse me, listen. I put out as a director in defense. This is not what the army is. Allow these people move. And I'm going to stay here till, let me tell you, this nonsense must stop in this country. Move. Go. Please, some people should go down. Every other people dismantle this.
The problem is that there's a construction.
Please, I don't need any of you to control anything.
Okay, let them move.
No. I don't need you people again. I don't need you people here again. See, push out those things on the road there. We don't even need that road block there. Go down there, push down, let these guys move their way. Everything that we need to move there. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's talk. I said I'm pushing. Why did they even allow that guy to enter that light?
They're talking about the guy.
Move. Please move. That guy is too slow now. What's wrong with him now? Come, can you push that guy out of that road? Huh? What's wrong with him? I put out as a director in defense. And you can't keep this kind of people here that don't know what life is all about. And they're telling the federal government to pay here. My tax money, my own tax money. We need to sit and talk together. You just,